Good morning and hello everybody. I'm very happy to be here to share with you some concepts which are applied in international business, but I will be focused more on what we call supply chain management. This is a concept that many businessmen, especially those who are doing the international business, they apply in different countries, different continents, and different area, and they are successful because of this supply chain management. So it is only something that you may apply, because when you are running a business in another country, in another continent, in another environment, you should find people who have been running those kind of business. So you need to initiate, you need to create some things which is new, which will attract customer and like your product and enjoy your product. So the supply chain management will help you, will facilitate you to collect everything so that you may provide a service or a good to the customer at the right moment, a right place, and also a good product that the customer they may like. For example, someone who is trying to produce water, and that water should be sold to the customer. I think, for example, we're applying the supply chain management. I have to produce water first of all, but I have to put that water in the bottle so that the water may be protected, may be saved in a good equipment like a bottle, and also to keep that water in a good condition. I have to look for a fridge, and because the fridge cannot work without power, I have to be connected on electricity. If I don't have electricity, I should rely on, for example, generator. So all those things, they facilitate me, and also they facilitate a customer, because a customer can come to me and buy a water which is found in the bottle, and he can go in a conference with that bottle, he can travel with that bottle. So the bottle is safe, and also it's kept in a good condition. So those collection of everything item that facilitates me to run a business and to be successful and to produce something that customer will enjoy, that we call supply or supply chain management. For example, someone who is trying to produce a car, like let's talk about Toyota, for example. With Toyota, you may have many people who are supplying many items, many products for you or for the company, so that you may produce something that the customer will enjoy. You get raw material from different countries, you get many people from different countries. So those expertise and those equipment, those material, they will facilitate you to produce Toyota, and you may keep it in a factory, a well-known place, a place where a customer may come and find those car or those vehicle, that we call supply chain management. Is everything that facilitates us to make something, is everything that facilitates for the customer to come and find our product right time, a good place, very known, and also a good product that the customer may enjoy. So I believe if, for example, Acme may apply this concept, may apply this technique when he's running his business in Vietnam, in India, and China, I think Acme can be successful in this international business in the way that, for example, instead of selling rice to people, instead of providing rice to people, maybe Acme can transform the rice, fabricate a bread made by rice. So this rice, this bread, you find the bread which is made by the rice, and there maybe you can put some spices. It may put, I don't know, sugar, put milk, put egg inside that rice. So people, they will come just to my factory, to my shop, and they buy they buy the bread instead of buying the rice, which will take them time to cook again, to prepare at home. But they buy only the bread, and they eat it wherever. they are found. So it's something which is ready to consume. It's something which is already prepared at a certain moment, at a certain place, so people they may come and collect those things. So that we call supply chain management facilitates everything for people. And I believe those are concepts. And if, for example, you apply them in international business, we may be successful. Those are, there is other thing, like, for example, push model, pull model, horizontal dimension, vertical dimension. So those are everything that they are connected to what we call supply chain management. And I believe Acme may be successful in international business once it's applied what we call supply chain management, because people they will know very well the place where Acme is found. They will know which kind of product which is ready for them to consume. They will know exactly it's a good price that Acme is providing that material or that product or that service to the customer, and it can facilitate also the customer to get anything that they want, especially like, for example, the food that I mentioned. And it will give Acme a chance to get more and more customer who are wishing to get his product. So thank you very much for this, and I appreciate so much the idea, and thank you for the sharing. Thank you very much.